Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Sign into your Google account from a computer or another phone to start recovery. Use Find My Device to locate the phone, lock it, or erase it if necessary. Check recent device activity on My Account. Google Com to confirm you own the phone and see sign-in attempts. If you enabled Smart Lock, review trusted places and trusted devices to bypass unlocking temporarily. Reset your Google account password if you suspect compromise, and wait 24 hours before retrying device access. If other recovery methods fail, a factory reset will remove the screen lock and all data. Use Find My Device to remotely erase the phone if the device is online and connected. Understand that erasing deletes local photos, messages, and app data unless previously backed up. Restore contacts, photos, and app data from Google Drive or a local encrypted backup after setup. Enable regular backups now to avoid future permanent data loss and ease future recoveries. Contact the phone manufacturer or your carrier for official support and recovery options. Bring proof of purchase and a government ID when visiting service centers to confirm ownership. Providers like Samsung offer Find My Mobile and remote unlock services for registered accounts. Carriers can verify ownership and advise on account-based locks or warranties. If you legitimately cannot prove ownership, file a police report and seek legal advice before pursuing third-party unlock services to avoid illegal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.